Hi, my name is Daniel from WTI, and this is the Teqooza Grip Trainer. The Teqooza Grip Trainer is an excellent tool for strengthening your grip and building your forearms. First off, it's very lightweight, coming in at only 22 grams. The rubber grips and ergonomic design on the handles make it very easy to hold and don't have any slipping, which is important when training. The stainless steel spring is very durable and feels sturdy even when under constant strain. The adjustable weight setting is very intuitive, and to adjust the weights, all you need to do is twist this knob either left to make it lighter or right to make it heavier. This model goes up to 40 kilograms, which is about 88 pounds. The Teqooza Grip Trainer is a wonderful option when looking to try to strengthen or enhance your grip strength. And that is my point of view.